It's like I died and got into heaven with each spoonful.
And to try out Asian pastries. Now I'm gonna try the tiramisu. Nobody has these.
Yeah, nobody has.
You need a paper, baby.
Oh wait, sorry.
And then,
First time.
yes. So when you get in here, you want to grab a tray and you want to grab a paper and some tongs. Self-service. I'm kind of tempted to get the yogurt or the pudding. Really
neat. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help out our channel.
Yeah, nobody has that.
I'm just gonna get this.
You're going to get the tiramisu?
Really enticing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's different.
Now I'm going to try the tiramisu.
What's the verdict?
It's chalky outside. It's not very moist. So compared to all these, like this one, and I like the egg the best because it's moisty. This is very chalky. It's the same crust as this guy over here. They're almost the same.
Just chocolate.
It's just tiramisu and chocolate.
So they, it's most likely they changed the crust to chocolate.
Yeah.
And then they dusted the top with cocoa powder. That's why you're getting chocolate. The cocoa powder is very thin.
They're almost the same. Fail.
Fail.
Fail. Sorry. 2 star? 2 star. Sorry. Sorry. I'd be like, can I have my money back? I didn't like this.
Did you like it, Kenna?
Not the best. 85 degrees. That was thinking a lot better.
Well, they don't have that. Nobody has that.
Nobody's tried that, but there's a reason. Because that layer of powder was very.
You want to try?
Sure.
I think you're intimidated by my ring.
You're more harsh than he is.
I guess so.
Like your expression are really like, no.
So-so. I'll tell you what though.
What?
Definitely tastes better than the egg. Yes, this one right here.
Okay, so the chocolate one is better than this one.
Yes.
Okay.
I could add a little bit of flavor to it.
So out of these three, which one did you like the best?
This one.
Okay. I have to agree. I like the egg the best. Egg was the best. Out of all of this is the best.
I agree.
This is the best. But here, this place, I like the egg the best. Hey, are you actually enjoying this content? Make sure to hit the red subscribe button because it helps out with our channel. Trying that peach tea and it's pretty good.
I'm trying the iced chai latte, and it's pretty good itself. You want to show me?
You're my shot.
Sorry.
You like this? Is it better than Starbucks?
I can't say because I never had this drink before. What do you think?
It's so soft. I think we've had that. We have to try the pudding.
Yeah.
Okay, I got this because of the container. I want the container. I just want the container. I love the container. It's cute. I could recreate this, become a candle. It could be a candle. Anyway, I like the jelly in the bottom. God. Very good. It's just like makes me remember how pudding is in Japan. That's how like splash of remembering of the past. Like kind of like that. Am I crazy? Am I just too descriptive? Oh my god. Gasm. Foodgasm.
Oh, come on.
Foodgasm. I'd say so. Yes. Oh my god.
It can be that good.
Here. Like this. Can you spoon it?
Sure.
Hold on.
Like that.
Yeah. Go. Nice. Okay. Awesome. I just come here just for that.
That's the same.
That says a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
They should sell in a bigger bottle. Why are they in a small bottle? I don't understand. Your turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you mix it?
It's up to you.
Okay.
Oh my god. I don't think you've ever had that before.
I haven't.
Yeah. This is first.
I'm gonna have another.
Okay. Thumbs up.
It's like I died and got to heaven with each of.
I'd say so. I mean, I can't remember when was the last time I tasted something like this in a long time. Yeah,
It's very unique.
very unique.
The thing that I think makes it even better is the fact that the spoon is so small. So
Yes.
you're taking a little bit.
Oh, gasmic. I really think so. I'm not exaggerating just for YouTube. But I really think it's gasmic. It's that good. It's almost like a custard before it become it is pudding. pudding, but it feels like almost supposed to be flat. That's how it tastes like. Yeah. Man. You want the rest? So good.
You don't have to twist mine.
I really like that. That's like 5-star. That's 5-star.
5-star pizza.
Yeah. Now this, 3-star. After eating that, this is 3-star. These are like 2 stars.
Like,
Yeah. This is definitely 5-star. But this one's almost topping this guy.
Wow.
For me. But these two go together.
The sad thing is, this is like the best.
Really?
There's other places that do better.
oh, really? Really comforting.
It is good. I'm gonna make a candle out of this. I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
Alright. So, hopefully this was an entertaining video. Definitely hit the like button. And comment down below if you've ever tried these two combinations. And yeah, what do we always like to say? Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. We'll see you in the next video. Here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Stay tuned. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Hey, are you actually enjoying this content?
Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to help out our channel. I have it.
Yeah. First.
I'm gonna have another spoon.
It's like I died and got to heaven with each spoonful.